Post-gallbladder surgery diet tips. After gallbladder removal surgery, your body will need time to adjust. While you can live without your gallbladder, your digestion, especially of fats, may be different. Making smart food choices can help ease this transition and reduce common symptoms like diarrhea, bloating, or discomfort. Here are 10 simple diet tips to follow after your surgery. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids to help your digestion and prevent dehydration from diarrhea. Start with clear liquids like water, broth, and electrolyte drinks. Avoid alcohol and caffeine until your doctor says it's safe. 2. Start with clear liquids. For the first day or two, stick to a clear liquid diet. This gives your body time to rest and recover. Slowly add soft, bland foods as you start to feel better. 3. Eat small, frequent meals. Instead of 3 large meals, eat smaller portions every 2 to 3 hours. This helps your body digest food more easily and avoids overwhelming your digestive system. 4. Choose low-fat foods. Your body may struggle to digest fats after surgery. Stick to low-fat or fat-free foods like rice, pasta, bananas, and unbuttered toast. Avoid fried or greasy meals. 5. Add healthy fats gradually. Once your body starts adjusting, you can slowly include healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, salmon, or chia seeds. Add these one at a time to see how your body responds. 6. Focus on lean proteins. Choose lean meats like chicken, turkey, cod, or plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. Avoid fatty meats such as bacon or sausage. 7. Introduce fiber slowly. Fiber can help with digestion, but too much too soon may cause gas or cramps. Start with gentle fiber sources like bananas, carrots, and oatmeal. Gradually add whole grains, beans, and vegetables over a few weeks. 8. Limit or avoid dairy. Dairy can upset your stomach post-surgery. Try to avoid it at first, or choose low-fat or lactose-free options if needed. 9. Skip spicy and greasy foods. Spicy, fried, or oily foods can trigger stomach upset or diarrhea. Keep your meals bland until your digestive system adjusts. 10. Always check with your doctor. Everyone heals differently. These tips are helpful, but your doctor can give you the best advice for your unique situation. Making small, smart changes to your eating habits can make a big difference in how you feel after surgery. Go slowly, listen to your body, and don't hesitate to ask your doctor for guidance. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.